Life unfolds in the present moment. Every second that ticks by is a reminder that time is constantly moving forward. The sunrise over the mountains signifies a new beginning, a fresh start that happens every single day. As the clock ticks, it tells us that the present moment is fleeting, yet it is the only time we truly have control over. It is all we truly have. The present moment is where life happens. Whether you are sitting quietly at a cafe table, savoring a cup of coffee, or sharing a meal with your family, these moments are precious. They are the essence of our existence, the threads that weave the fabric of our lives. The past is gone, a memory. Old photographs scattered on a table remind us of times that have passed, moments that have been lived and are now just memories. Flipping through a photo album can bring a sense of nostalgia, but it also serves as a reminder that those moments are no longer our reality. They are chapters in our story that have already been written. The future is yet to come, a thought. Reality is now. When we look out a window deep in thought, we often ponder what the future holds. The time lapse of clouds moving in the sky symbolizes the ever-changing nature of life. The future is a canvas yet to be painted, a thought that has not yet materialized. Our reality, however, is the present moment, the here and now. We often dwell on past regrets or future worries. Sitting alone, looking worried, or staring at a phone with a concerned expression, we let our minds wander to places that are beyond our control. Past regrets can haunt us, and future worries can paralyze us. These thoughts take us away from the present moment, the only time we can truly influence. This takes us away from the power of the present. When we meditate in a peaceful garden or practice yoga in nature, we are reminded to be present. These practices help us center ourselves, bringing our focus back to the now. The power of the present moment lies in its ability to ground us, to make us aware of our surroundings and our inner selves. When we focus on the now, we can experience life fully. Embrace this moment. Walking through a park with a smile or enjoying a sunset at the beach with a loved one, these are the moments that make life beautiful. By focusing on the now, we allow ourselves to fully experience and appreciate the richness of life. Embracing the present moment means living with intention and gratitude. It is a gift, hence the present. The act of opening a wrapped gift or seeing a child receive a present with joy is a metaphor for the present moment. It is a gift that we are given every day, an opportunity to live, to love, and to be. The present is a precious gift that should be cherished and celebrated. Let go of what was and what might be. Taking a deep breath with eyes closed or releasing a balloon into the sky symbolizes the act of letting go. Letting go of what was, the past that we cannot change, and what might be, the future that is uncertain. By releasing these burdens, we free ourselves to live fully in the present moment, to embrace the now with open hearts and minds. We are all on unique journeys. Each of us embarks on a path that is distinctly our own, shaped by our experiences, choices, and dreams. These paths may intersect with others, but they remain uniquely ours. The beauty of life lies in this diversity, in the myriad ways we navigate our existence. Each person travels their own path. Some may find themselves wandering through dense forests, while others stroll through serene parks. The terrain we traverse is as varied as our personalities. Some paths are smooth and easy, while others are rugged and challenging. Yet each step we take is a testament to our resilience and determination. This is why we experience different levels of success. Comparison is futile. Success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It is deeply personal and subjective. What may seem like a small achievement to one person could be a monumental milestone for another. By comparing ourselves to others, we diminish our own unique accomplishments and the effort it took to achieve them. Your journey is yours alone. Embrace it with all its twists and turns, its highs and lows. The solitude of a mountain hike or the thrill of exploring a new destination are experiences that shape who we are. They teach us lessons that are invaluable and personal. No one else can walk your path for you, and that is what makes it special. Celebrate your individuality and the path you are on. Every milestone, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. It is a reflection of your hard work, perseverance, and unique journey. Take pride in your achievements and the person you are becoming. Your path is a testament to your strength and character. Focus on your own growth. not on the achievements of others. Personal growth is a continuous journey. It requires introspection, patience, and dedication. By focusing on your own progress, you cultivate a sense of fulfillment and purpose. The quiet moments of meditation or the concentration on a task are opportunities to connect with yourself and nurture your growth. Every path leads to unique experiences. The landmarks we encounter, the challenges we face, and the victories we celebrate are all part of our individual stories. These experiences enrich our lives and contribute to our personal growth. Embrace the journey, cherish the experiences, and remember that every path, no matter how different, is valuable and meaningful. Where attention goes, energy flows. This simple yet profound statement holds the key to unlocking the potential within each of us. Just as a magnifying glass can focus sunlight to create fire, our minds can focus our energy to create the life we desire. This is a fundamental truth. The power of focus is not just a concept, it is a reality that shapes our everyday experiences. When we direct our attention towards something, we give it the power to grow and manifest in our lives. What you focus on expands in your life. Choose your thoughts carefully. Imagine your mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant are the seeds that will grow into the reality you experience. If you plant seeds of doubt and negativity, you will harvest a life filled with challenges and obstacles. They are the seeds of your reality. Conversely, if you plant seeds of positivity, hope, and determination, you will cultivate a life of abundance and joy. Every thought you entertain is a seed that has the potential to grow into something significant. When you focus on the positive, you invite more positivity into your life. It's like a ripple effect. One positive thought leads to another, creating a wave of positive energy that can transform your entire existence. You invite more positivity into your life. This doesn't mean ignoring the challenges or pretending that everything is perfect. It means choosing to see the good in every situation and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles. Pay attention to what you give your energy to. Your focus is a powerful tool that can either build you up or tear you down. By being mindful of where you direct your attention, you can harness this power to create a life that aligns with your deepest desires and aspirations. Your focus determines your reality. Every step you take, every decision you make, is influenced by where you place your attention. By mastering the art of focus, you can navigate through life's challenges with clarity and purpose, ultimately shaping a reality that reflects your true potential. Energy follows attention like a river flowing downhill. It is a natural law. Direct your energy consciously. Avoid dwelling on negativity. It drains your energy and creates more of the same. Instead, focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Cultivate positive thoughts and emotions. They are powerful magnets, attracting more good into your life. Section 5. Actions speak louder. Every action you take reflects your current path. They are outward expressions of your inner state. Choose actions aligned with your goals and values. Small, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. Be mindful of your actions. They are a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. Section 6. Words have power. Words are powerful tools. They can create or destroy. Use them wisely and consciously. Speak kindly to yourself and others. Your words have the power to heal and uplift. Affirm your desired reality. Speak your goals and dreams into existence. Section 7. Feeling is creating. Your feelings are your guidance system. They tell you what is aligned with your true self. Pay attention to how you feel. If something feels good, do more of it. If it feels bad, let it go. Trust your intuition. It is the voice of your inner wisdom. Section 8. The responsibility of choice. You have the power to choose your thoughts, words, and actions. This is your personal responsibility. No one else can live your life for you. Embrace your power of choice. Choose to focus on the positive, to act with intention, and to create a life you love. Section 9. Steering towards abundance. Life is abundant with possibilities. When you align your attention with your desires, you open yourself up to receiving. Trust in the process. Everything unfolds in perfect timing. Focus on gratitude and appreciation. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract.